Assalamualaikum and good day. So my name is Azli Nawawi and I'm from UTHM, and today I will show you what is Onshape. Okay, and it is very interesting because it is a cloud CAD system. Yeah, you can draw anything 3D, 2D on the cloud and no need for installation, and it is free for everyone, which is quite nice. Okay, let me show you something. Okay, so it is something like this. Okay, this is the interface for Onshape. Okay, this is it. Okay, you can see that it is on a browser, Google Chrome. Okay, and no installation needed. Okay, so it will not going to make your computer quite heavy, just like the biggest design software, SolidWorks and all those things, Katia, everything. And you still can design. Okay, you still can design on Onshape. Okay, the approach to draw on Onshape is much like SolidWorks. Okay, you can see, okay, the design, you can move it here and there. Okay, you can do the rotation. Okay, you can add something, you can see the menu up here. Okay, see menu here. It is much more like SolidWorks. It have everything. Okay, extrude, you see, floor, okay, fillet, okay, color and all those things. See, it is quite nice. It is a nice software. Okay, and when you draw, you can do it in groups. Okay, in groups you can do it with your friends. Okay, you can draw the same thing together, and it is quite good for the MCO in Malaysia, because students needs to work on their projects, okay, in groups. Okay, and it is also available in your phone. Okay, I'm gonna do a tutorial later about that. Okay, and one thing that I'm really not happy with Onshape is when you have the free account, any design that you make is available publicly on the web, meaning that everyone can see your design and they can take your design. Okay, so if you want to make your design private, then you need to go to the paid plans. Okay, so now I'm gonna bring you to Onshape. Okay, how to register for an account. Okay, for the first thing is you need to go to your browser and make sure you have the internet connection. Okay, and you need to type on the address bar up here onshape.com. Okay, and then give it an enter. Okay, and then you will get a page like this. You can see that Onshape is a tool that can speed up your product design. Okay, unit SCAD, data management. You can see here, this one is very complicated. This is from the staff, I think. Okay, see, you can see that how they make it, okay, on the web, and they can share it with their teams. Okay, very nice. And yeah, see on the phone here, like I said before, and you can do the design on the phone, which is quite amazing for us. Okay, and then trusted by 1,000 companies, Track, Garrett, Nvidia, okay, Kichler, I don't know how to pronounce them. Okay, and what you can do is about CAD, and then you can do data management, and then you can collaborate. Okay, security, the reporting, integration, and all those things. Okay, so there are also the testimony from the guys. And one secret now that I want to tell you is Onshape is developed by the ex-employee of SolidWorks. So the approach to making design in this tool is almost quite same as SolidWorks. So you don't need to worry, okay, to the UTHM student, because our main design software in UTHM is SolidWorks. Okay, so come, I want to show you how to register for Onshape. So what you need to do is you need to go to the big orange button, this one. Okay, you need to sign in. Okay, click on that one, and then you need to wait. Okay, wait a second, and then you will be brought to a page like this. Okay, and then we will not go to the sign in because we do not have any account. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the sign up here, down here. So click on that one, and then okay, my internet connection is not so good. Okay, so you're gonna get something like this. Okay, Onshape, blah blah blah. Okay, and there are 3 types of accounts that being offered on Onshape, and the first one is the Onshape Professional. This is the best one. Like I said, you will get all the tools, okay, all the add-ons and all those things, but it is a paid account. You need to pay something. Okay, Okay, and if you are in a education system, maybe you are education or student, you can go for this one. Okay, but it will need some verification here, so it can take some time. And for you, I think the Onshape for makers is quite good. Okay, it is a public maker plan. It is free. Okay, it is free. Okay, Onshape. Okay, and okay, it will free for non-commercial projects. And okay, but the thing is, when you make a design here on the free account, your design is not private. It is public, so everyone can download and share your design. So you need to, you know, you need to be reminded of that. They're very important info. Okay, so then, okay, next is you need to click on the public maker plan down here. Okay, click on that one. Okay, request, and then you're gonna get Onshape free. Okay, you can read all your one. Okay, and then next you need to go to the get started. Down here, get started. Okay, click on that one. Okay, then you need to fill in your names. Okay, your name, email. Okay, this what will describe you. Maybe your hobbies, or maybe your student, educator. Just give, and then you need to okay. Let me do. Okay, so my name, my email. Okay, I need to change to my other email. Okay, my email, and what will describe me. I'm a hobbies. Okay, and I'm gonna check the box, and then I'm gonna go to the get started down here. Okay. So then they request for your company name, you just give your UDHM, industry, what is your industry, education. So how many users, CAD user in your company? We have more than 1,000, so just 100 plus. Current CAD system, ours is SolidWorks. And then level of interest, browsing, okay, time frame, no time frame. Title position, I make myself a student, just like you. Mobile phone number, okay, just give my phone, and then you go with I'm not a robot, and then you need to this one, chimneys. You need to make sure that you are not a robot to them, so identify which one is chimney. So this one is chimney, this one, I think that one. Okay, and then you go to down here. You can see that if you go to this is big blue button here, verify. If you go to the right corner of the button, you will not get the chance to click on anything. But if you go to a little bit to the left, okay, you can click on the verify button here. Okay, click. And then you can go to create account. Okay, but I will not do it because I already have an account. So you're gonna do it and be happy about it. Okay. In the meantime, let me show you what's good about Onshape. Okay, I've been using Onshape for quite some time, but I'm not really take a lot of time to use it. Okay, because I'm not teaching the subjects. Okay, so this is the interface of Onshape. These are your files here. Okay, it is much more like Google Drive. Okay, you can see your files, or Canva. Okay, created by me. It's not open, shared with me. Okay, the file that people are shared with you, public. Okay, you can see the files on the publics. Okay, take some time. See, okay, as I said before, all the design made by the public free account. Okay, it is available in the public, so you can, you can take a look. It is quite interesting. Okay, see, so nice. Okay, and you need to go to my Onshape. Okay, up here. Okay, this is where your account is. Okay, and these are the files. Okay, you can see that your subscription is free. Okay, free. You can upgrade if you want, but I don't know how much is the price. Okay, so you need to request for quotation. Okay, they will provide quotation. Okay, pricing and all those things. Okay, how much is the pricing? Okay, so okay, you can see that. Okay, the standard is $1,500 per user per year. Wow, quite much. Okay, and the professional, okay, free trial. Okay, professional, like we just discussed before, is 2,100. Okay, and there are a lot of tools here that you can use. Okay, maybe if you're working in a company, you can propose to your boss. Okay, so this one about maybe ringgit Malaysia 5,000 ringgit or more per year per user. Okay, and you can compare the price with SolidWorks. Okay, you can get to know which one is more cost effective. Okay, we go back to Onshape. Okay, so like I shown you before. Okay, let me help you with the create. Okay, so just open this one. Okay, so double click on that design. I'm gonna show you what is available in Onshape. Okay, it is something like SolidWorks. At the left here you can see the something like a history. Okay, the icon is up here. Okay, we have sketch, we have all the 3D features, sweep, love, and all those things. Okay, for example, if I want to draw something here, I want to make maybe a cylinder. Okay, go to that one. Okay, just like SolidWorks, click on that surface, and then I go to sketch. Okay, let me show you something. I'm gonna sketch. Okay, go to sketch, wait for that one. Okay, so now I can draw on this thing, but first I need to make this thing normal sketch plane. Okay, maybe I want to. Okay, you can see that the sketch features is very common. It's very common. Okay, take center circle, put there. Okay, draw on that one, and then put some dimension on them. Okay, maybe 58, but I know I want 60 that one. Enter. Okay, 60, take some time. Okay, it is internet connected. Okay, and then just go to the 3D here, extrude, then now we can, you can see that. Okay, it is extruded. It is quite simple. Okay, the depth you can control maybe 50, and then enter. Okay, something like that. Okay, quite simple. Okay, it is on the web. It is on your browser. You can put fillet here. Okay, fillet there, like that. Okay, you can change the dimension of the fillet, maybe 7 mm. Okay, see, quite nice. Okay, and you can try to make a hole. Okay, maybe extrude all those things. Maybe I want to go here and I want to make a hole that go through my cylinder. Okay, so I go to sketch like that, and then I need to go to the sketch plane. Okay, take a hole. Okay, like that. Okay, put there, over there. Okay, the hole is there. You can see there. This is the sketch, and then I go to mine, and then I go to extrude. Okay, there are no hole. Okay, go to extrude, but I will not add, but I will remove the material. Okay, remove. Okay, so it is blind and it is symmetric. Okay, gonna be both. Okay, so the depth, or maybe it is through wall. Go to that direction. Okay, you can see that. Okay, what if I put it symmetric? I think it's symmetric. I may just give it 100. Okay, both sides. Okay, and then yes, voila, something like that. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, you're gonna take some time to be familiar. Okay, with the Onshape. You can do assembly here. Okay, if you want to. Okay, and then we will continue with the tutorial later. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.